Blackjack, stop. And there's Flash. Blackjack quit.
Hey, you worked with her again still on that?
Yeah.
Well, it hasn't been done that for quite some time.
Check out Flash. Doesn't he look pretty?
But
Look at him.
you can see she wants to do it.
Look at him.
Now I need to get her brushed back up on it.
Blackjack quit.
I lost my stirrup too.
Did you? I didn't even notice because I can't see much on this screen. Check out Flash, Shuri.
See, that horse, if he could get broke, he would be awesome.
He's broke, just not, whoa.
Well,
Just not broke enough.
basically, if he gets where he reins real well, he'd be awesome.
Check him out, man.
If he would rein, he'd be awesome.
Yeah, he's a nice horse. He's just spooky.
Well,
Look at Blackjack. Blackjack's all interested in him.
cool.
And now Flash is over there. And over there now.
I don't like how I turn on that wall. It looks steady.
I think he's pretty. But look at Blackjack go crazy now. Oh, he's eating grass.
Because Phoenix started running, he started going nuts.
She's already sweated up, man.
Well, she's out of shape.
I think I've cut your head off on some of this.
Oh, well.
Sorry.
Walking, good girl.
Her trot looks smooth.
It is, especially when she's doing it that way. I'm trying to look to see if he's over there.
She's pretty pumped up right now.
Huh?
She's pretty pumped up right now.
Oh, there he goes again.
Oh, is he? Some of this video, if you can get it as a still shot, it'd be a great picture.
Yeah. Too bad I thought in some of those you could do a still shot. But I don't know how to do it.
I don't know.
But she plays with her bit, as you can tell. She has chomps.
Really?
It's not the bit, the reason for the bit. She does it with any of them.
At least Blackjack's standing here good and not pawing. I think it's because he's got something to watch.
Well, she picked up walking fast.
I know.
Getting her Jones in.
That's what I was telling you. I think that's why Blackjack seems lazy, is because he doesn't get ridden, and he doesn't get ridden at a fast pace very much. She's good. She is out of shape, dude. Look at her breath. You hear her breathing hard?
Oh, going again.
I'll go get it.
Okay.
Do you want me to stop the video?
Let her calm down.